telling a lot of good things about you, but I think you are not realizing he did a lot of things for you. Because my father, when he born, say at the age of when he was just 1.5 year old, both his parents has died. So that his career start was not good, and whatever he tried to provide me till 10th, Chitli sir said, Jitendra, I think you are not realizing what your dad is doing for you, and you are doing all this sort of nonsense things. And he is saying you want admission in science. So yes, I want admission in science. Well, see, my admission closes at 60%. You are just 53%. You go and take admission in commerce. So, sir, if you want to give me admission, give me in science. Then he put forward one condition to me. In the first exam, if you got 60% in 11th, in first exam, then only I will continue in science. Otherwise, I will shift you into the commerce stream. I said, okay, sir, at least give me a chance. So, but I told him ki apart from science, I want vocational subject also as electronics. So, you are just demanding here. This vocational subject close at 65%. you are just 50%. Sir, it's my request. To me, the dilatar, maybe I think I can prove. He said, okay, I will take this chance. So he gave me admission from management quota, 53%. And the first exam, I got 64%. He called me, then he told me continuously, every after 2 months you come and meet me. So that was a good time. I passed 11 with good percent, 12th with some 70 odd percent. And then the diploma engineering I took admission. As the electronics was the vocational subject, so as the provision was there in MSBT, that you can get direct admission to second year diploma engineering course. So I got the second year diploma. And then after passing diploma, I got direct admission to second year degree course. So I completed BE electronics also. So whatever 1 year I lost, so I covered up in that next 6 to 7 years that time. And that again MSBT, I can tell you one thing. Today I am proudly say I am also chairman of MSBT, Maharashtra State Board Education. So they selected me as a chairman for my subject, supply chain and logistics related. So I completed my education with BE electronics as my core subject, and then actually my the career start in the industry. That time I think I got around 62% in BE electronics. What next is again a question. I know most of the BE student they get confused at which area, which company I should go for, what sort of activity I need to do in the company. Because see, now last maybe 10 years a lot of educational change in the engineering industry. There are a lot of vocational courses, engineering colleges sending a student for the sandwich courses so that they know the industry. But that time mostly it is a theoretical one at 95, 96. So most of even my friends are not very clear what they want to do. Just in front of my house, the one bungalow colony was there. I was seeing one person regularly in the posh bungalow. Regularly one guy is coming in a big car. I was regularly just watching him from my window. So I went after my completing my exam. I think the Friday evening I completed my last paper. The result was not yet out. I thought I should go and meet that person. I know he was some big person. Must be he's from the industry background. So I visited his house. His father came out. Kai pahije? I said, I want to meet Saibanna भेटायचे मला. So okay, you sit. He came after 10 minutes. Sir, I just stay in this society. What do you want? Sir, I just completed my BE. I am diploma holder already. तुम्ही काय करता? So, sir, I am group general manager of Greaves Cotton. Okay, sir, I am electronics diploma engineer. I just completed BE. I am now started searching for job. I don't know what exactly I want to do, but definitely मला company मध्ये मला काम करायचं. So will you please arrange some interview for me? त्यांनी माझं थोडं background, he asked for my background and all. Okay, you do one thing. Tomorrow you go meet so and so person. Next day I visited the company and they said, okay, you go and start your activity in maintenance department. Okay. Till that time I really don't know what is actually maintenance, what sort of activity I was supposed to do. As a company trainee engineer, I started my career in that time. The company name was David Brown Greaves. So it is a big Greaves cotton company. They are manufacturer of gearboxes. I started my career in the first, second, third shift, handling different activities in the electrical, electronics maintenance. And you know, when any trainee engineer, even today, when he enter in the company premises and when there are a lot of union related activities, that it was more, even though they are at a worker category people, but they are chargeman, foreman, that sort of people, electricians. Those were any experience of 20 years, 30 years experience. So for them, any training engineer, फार स्वतःला शाणा समजतो हा, he is an electronics engineer असेल, याला काय येतं, what he know. And this is fact. Any engineer who actually enter from say theoretical background to technical background, that electrician or mechanic are much better in terms of technical aspect than any engineer. So there actually I started my technical career in all three shifts.
I asked a question there because what's really there is that something that he just glossed over is that he didn't wait for campus to come or for the opportunity to come by so he can pick from whatever comes by. He actually went to somebody's house. I want to know what you're doing and I want to kind of work similar to what you're doing. So basically the idea being that you go after an opportunity. I mean, I didn't know about this, but you seem to be doing this all the time, right?
Because instead of wasting time again in searching a job, I thought, okay, at least I can take the chance. Why not? तो माणूस आहे, मोठा माणूस दिसतोय, विचारायला काय हरकत आहे?
And not only that, I believe you have the three shifts in factories. Anybody who's familiar with manufacturing industries worked in factories and shifts? Yeah. So you know how each shift, which is the most preferred shift for you? What's that? General shift, right? So Mr. Joshi apparently has volunteered himself for the third shift, which is a night shift, which runs from...
It's from 11:30 to 6:30 or so.
11 p.m. to 6:30 p.m., which is the most challenging shift both because of the union.
Actually, the industry guys can realize the third shift important because in the general shift or in the first shift, most of the senior guys are already there in the plant. Okay. From general managers to managers, everybody is there. All staff, account staff, everybody is there. Even the senior union leaders also there. Only people, those who are moving in the first, second, third shift is the actually operators and shift engineers. Those only are moving. When time pass, whole day pass, when the general shift over, see, normally in any factory, even though now those factories now running, after 6:30, most of the people are going home, preferred. After 6:30, the company atmosphere changes. Totally, it changed. The company is in the hand of shift engineers.
It's like the night at the museum kind of thing.
And when even the second shift over at 11 o'clock, that was actually a crucial period for basically it is the challenge for engineers because operators or a union guys maximum role they can play in the third shift. Okay, because they know कि I will come in the first shift maybe after 2 weeks, so lot of time is there. Normally, what my experience was that basically for maintenance is very challenging job because maintenance is what maintenance we are handling or electrical, mechanical, electronics there are, because in David Brown Greaves there are different, this is a German make or a English make, old machines was there, Hoffler kind of things were there, CNC machines was there, and operators are always take disadvantage of situation, many operators, and most of the time if the maintenance engineer is not properly trained, for them it is the golden opportunity. Even to lose one fuse can stop your machine. So if the engineer don't know where to actually look into, that machine can be stopped for whole night and he is sleeping, and with one breakdown memo machine